Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I turn leftover sausages into a delicious, comforting and budget-friendly stew. It's a cross-cultural fusion of Sudanese fasoolia with Aussie curried sausages. Please find the ingredients in the description as we get right into the process. To start, I heat some oil and saute the onions until they're translucent, then add the tomatoes. I add a little water followed by tomato paste and crushed ginger and garlic. I stir to combine and cook this covered for 2 to 5 minutes on low or until the water is reduced and the tomatoes have broken down. I add the spices, black pepper and vegeta. The spices I have here are garam masala, paprika, garlic powder and curry powder. All the spice quantities are listed in the description. I mix to combine, add the sausages and the beans. I used 3 cans of cannellini beans plus 6 leftover sausages. For the beans, I rinsed and drained them. I add a little water and adjust salt to taste. I let it simmer on low for 5 minutes or until the beans have thickened to my liking. Our stew is now ready. It tastes amazing and the aroma in the kitchen is so good. We had this with rice, but it also goes well with naan or chapati. I hope you try this recipe and love it as much as my family does. If you enjoy easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching and bye for now.